friend, welcome back to my channel. My name is Synovia. If this is your first time here, welcome. I hope that you stick around to like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to hit the bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. If you're a part of my gang, welcome back. Hey girl, hey. Today's video is going to be another Amazon Prime haul. Unboxing. Amazon is evil. Am I the only one who feels like that? And my husband said I fell into the, what do you call it? The rabbit hole, watching these videos, and every time I watch, and the girl's like, I'll put a link down below for where I got this from, or you guys could buy it as well. And I find myself just adding and adding and adding to my wish list. Like things that I would have never thought that I needed, wanted, had any type of interest in. But I got sucked into the rabbit hole. So hopefully you will too. If you don't like these type of videos, I'm sorry, bye-bye. But if you're interested in seeing what I got on my latest Amazon haul and unboxing, then stay tuned. So I did go ahead and, well, this one I didn't. I got two packages, but a few items. Here is one of the boxes here. I'm not even sure what's packaged in what, so we will find out together. Okay, so I'm not gonna flip it this way because you will be able to see my address, but we're getting ready to open up here. So let's see. I feel like this is my evil lab. Comes, you got your little air packaging stuff. Okay, so I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram, and if you don't, I'll be sure to go ahead and put in my little link up here. But yeah, so I am late to the Alexa Echo bandwagon, and I just got one. Maybe, I don't even think it's been a month. I got the taller one, the medium size, not the really tall one, but the medium size. Alexa is bae. Like, she is literally my virtual assistant. I love her for my reminders, for my calendar appointments, shopping list, where's my package, give me my update. She reads my Bible quotes to me, play such and such and such on my favorite Pandora station. Like, if you ain't got yourself an Alexa, you missing out. So they had a deal of the day with the Echo Dots. This is my first time with the Dot. I watched a few reviews on it, and I saw several people mention that they just have dots all throughout the house. I'm going to put my dots in my smaller rooms. I know. I'm almost ashamed too. But they had the thing, instead of saying buy two, get one free, they were like buy three and we'll give you such and such off. And that such and such off was the price of one. So it was basically like I got three for the price of two, and three of these together was the price I paid for the one big one that I do have upstairs. So I am going to put one in my bedroom next to my nightstand. I'm going to put another one down here in my office. If you guys saw my behind the scenes office tour, I'll be sure to link that up as well. I don't have a huge office space, so I don't really need a big one. And if I got a big one, the volume will probably stay midway, if not lower. It would be, you know, too loud for this smaller room. So one will be here in my office. Now I can talk to her, tell her, hey, I need you to do this, girl. Hey, boo, order this. Hey, boo, where that's at. I got one black one. That's gonna be the one that goes in my bedroom. And I got two white ones. The black one is going in my bedroom on my nightstand. One I will put in the kitchen. It'll probably sound really good with the larger one that's in the living room, you know, kind of slightly surround sound like. And then the other one, like I said, will be down here in my office. So I am so excited. And if you did not know, the only difference between the dots and then the regular size is just sound quality. I'm so excited about those. This here, I posted on my, what is it called? My Insta stories about investing in an air diffuser. Is that what it, no, oil diffuser. Well, it is an air and oil diffuser. This brand is Vitsing ultrasonic oil diffuser. Clean and healthy, auto protection, adjustable mist spray, perfect humidification. I like the fact that it's quiet. I've had oil diffusers before, and if you weren't careful where you set them, like on tables or whatever, like the moisture would kind of mess up the wood and all of that. But this particular one that I bought, I literally fell in love with. It has an automatic on and off feature, so you can set it on a timer if you choose, or you could do continuous running. I usually keep it on that because it'll automatically shut itself off when the water gets low. So I love it for that. Lights up, all that good stuff. Let me open it real quick. So this is my second. This is actually a repurchase. This is what it looks like here. They come in probably 5 or 6 different colors. And Amazon has a bunch of them, you know, as far as different ones. I got one, fell in love with that particular one. I'm like, stick with what I know. Ain't no point in buying a different one and I'm not like it. So it kind of, it's plastic or whatever, but it kind of looks like a, what am I trying to say? Like a wood light, but it's not wood. They come in this, which goes more with my decor. Has like the cherry looking wood. I think like the oak has a little plug piece that goes down in there. This is the part that lights up. You can have it on, it'll light up to where it changes colors like every few seconds. You can click it to where it stays on one particular color, or you can not have any lights on at all. I usually let it run its cycle of, I don't even know how many colors it has. And again, I set mine on continuous run, and therefore when it gets low, it just shuts itself off. So this will be upstairs in my bedroom. These are really good for allergies, tension, headaches, stress, helping you sleep, like all of that. This, what is this? Oh, okay, so I had already had some oils before, so that's what I'm currently burning. But when I got sucked into the rabbit holes, a few people talked about these here, so I got this particular brand. It's Nirvana, I think that's what it's called. You actually get 18 essential oils. And I saw it came with a recipe book, and it said the recipe book was like, it'll tell you, I guess basically, if you have a headache, mix these scents together. If you're stressed, mix these scents together, that type of stuff. Slide out, because I don't want to drop it. Hold on, technical difficulties. Wait, yeah, hold on, y'all. Well, we're gonna tear this piece right here open because I don't know what's really going on. Get your life, Zenobia. Get your life. Try and hold it up. Some people left me some comments. Was like, we want to see when you're actually opening and unboxing. Listen, it's hard to hold stuff up to be in the view of the camera and make sure you don't drop or break anything. So y'all bear with us, sister. Hold on. Okay. Ooh, I smell it already, but it lifts up. Oh my gosh, these smell good. It is, like I said, 18 oils. I think I paid about $30 or so. Oh, your girl is excited. So, yeah, I'm not gonna go through all the oils, but it has like cinnamon, tangerine, eucalyptus, tea tree, peppermint. Again, 18 oils. I'm assuming this is the recipe book here, Top 18 Essential Oils Quick Start Guide. So I guess this is the book here. It does tell you it's used better, I guess, if you buy the particular air diffuser or oil diffuser of this brand. I'm pretty sure these oils gonna diffuse just as well. So here's the box here, and it says on there what it is. An air fryer. I have an air fryer already, and this is gonna be too big to actually have on camera. Like, I'm not about to tear my desk up for this. I do have an air fryer already, not this particular one, and from what I've been reading and seeing, this one is much bigger. Ooh, it really is. Fix it, Jesus. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Oh, wait a second. Let me get my life. It got a little hot for a second, just that quick. Okay. So yeah, this is freaking awesome. I haven't tried this brand before, but this what it is. This is what it is. This is what it is. Go Wise USA. It says it's a 5.8 quart electric programmable Airwise fryer, 8 preset cooking programs, rapid air circulation technology, cook from 1 to 30 minutes, wide range temperature control, air fry with little to no oil. The air fryer that I have, if you guys can tell, this one here is digital. So I'm like really excited about that, because the one that I currently have, I think Home Depot had a sale or something. I don't think it's quite this big, but it's the one with the knob that you just kind of turn for the timer. and I've had it for some years, and the knob fell off, and instead of buying a new one, judge your mama, we get the little screwdriver thing and put it inside to turn it. I know it's dangerous, especially when it's plugged up, like all that good stuff, and I get it. Like, please don't come for me in the comments. I get it. Listen, Linda, look, that's why I got this. First off, these fries and everything look really delicious. I want to say this one was like $70 something, and it's 5.8 quart. And when I had, was doing my research, like in Sam's and back at Home Depot again, they're like $100+. And from what I saw, they range from like 2 point something to 3 point something quart. So this one was an extra large size, half fraction of the price. I'm not familiar with the brand, so this will be my first time trying it out. I will be sure to link that below. But yes, that is everything. That is all my goodies and everything that I got this particular time around. I know I'm just looking a hot mess right now. Like, I literally just got home, went out to run some errands. Y'all be sure to stay tuned, because this is the weekend that I'll be going to Miami for Labor Day weekend to go see Beyonce and Jay-Z on the Run tour. Yeah, so I will be doing a travel vlog. So make sure you guys are, click the bell so you guys are notified when I upload those. So yes, I've been out running errands. I still gotta pack. This was on my doorstep. And did I say Alexa will let you know when your stuff is out for delivery and when it's been delivered and all that good stuff? Get you an Alexa. Thank you, and let me go hook up my gadgets. Thank you guys so much for tuning back in, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.